What are you looking for?
My engagement ring. I took it off to pump my gas and I thought that I put it in my purse, but it must have fallen out. And I'm late for my flight and
Well, listen, I'll find your ring and I'll FedEx it to you.
I'll give you a reward.
Still be silly.
$3,000. It's worth more than my car.
Just give me your number. Yeah, I'll find it. Yeah, I'll start looking for it right now. Yeah, 'cause I got nothing else to do. I was engaged once, but I'm single now. Bye. Hope you make your flight. But I know it's around here somewhere. She's on a plane, that's the beauty of it. Let me call you back. Hey, you found my ring! Thanks, I've been looking all over for it.
Your ring?
Well, it was my friend's. You know, I'm gonna send it to her.
Do I get a reward?
40, 60, 80, 400. That's it. That's the whole register. You made someone very happy.
You too.
Nice. How many left?
Let me see.